G'day folks, today we're going to change the thickness of our columns and change the thickness or the height of our rows. So you can see here Wednesday is going over the edge of this column. The quickest and easiest way for me is if I hover over the top of my columns, in this case between the B and the C, you'll notice that my mouse changes to this line. If I double click on this, you'll notice that it automatically changes the width of my column to suit the contents. Now, if I wanted to drag it out, I wanted to have more room, I could click on that and drag it out to do the same thing, but it's not auto-fitting. I could also drag it back, and you can see I've gone too far. But if I just wanted to only be wide enough for the contents, I just go back and hover over the joint in between the columns and double click. It is exactly the same for your row height. So where the numbers are, these are your rows. If I wanted to have this row taller, I can drag the column down and you can see it telling me how many pixels high it's going to be, or I can double click on it for it to automatically fit to the contents.